Hello and welcome in my channel. As you can see, I have many cameras here, but the one camera I recently buy, it has dual view. As you can see here, it has also near view and zoom view and normal view. And also in this camera here, you see I have only the zoom view. The question is how to put the zoom out. And if you go to settings, there is nothing you can choose to do that. And in order to do that, I have found a way, and I will show you here. So basically, you have to go to the number of lenses and select 2. In this way, he will put the zoom view and the near you. So when you restart, it wouldn't apply now. So when you restart, it will be 2 cameras like what you see here. So this one is the same camera, but the one is the zoom view, and this one is the normal view. So this program is also available for the smartphone. By the smartphone, you can easily configure, but in this application for the Windows desktop, is not easily defined. So this way I found this crack will allow you to do and select only the normal view instead of having the zoom view. So when you restart this, we close like this, we reopen the application. And when the application reloads, you're gonna have 2 cameras for that position. So you're gonna have the zoom view and the normal view. So now I want to keep the normal view and I want to remove the zoom view. What I do, go here, I do delete camera and will remove the zoom view, and only the normal view will stay. So the same I can do also for this one. So it's removing the zoomed view. And the same I can do here. I have 2 zoom because I have done this before. I enable 2 channels because it's dual channel camera, and I will keep only the normal view. So also I would go here and I do remove camera and keep only the normal view. So, and after you can rename this from the settings and remove number 2, and you can put whatever camera it is. I guess when the camera reloads, the number 2 will be removed. So close again, reopen, and everything will be fine with your desired zoomed view. So thank you for watching. This O-KAM application is very convenient. It's just some of the techniques are not so easy to be defined. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.